What would you say to a person who doesn't know anything about yoga to encourage them to do it?
People think yoga means twisting and turning and to look like a leftover noodle. No, the word yoga means union. There is a very powerful sense of oneness within you, which is a huge empowerment in body, in mind, in emotion and in life energies. Yoga is like a lubricant in your life. When I say yoga, I'm not talking about physical postures. This can be done on the level of the body, it can be done on the level of the mind, emotion and energies. If you are in some state of yoga, then you will see everything flows smoothly. It's just like, even if you get yourself a Ferrari, if you take out the engine oil and drive it, within 5 minutes it's finished, because there's no lubricant. Yoga is that lubricant where you can function effortlessly and seamlessly.